Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, we've got some Fujiwara Shijimi 70 KO Chikara Ramen. Okay, so the 70 KOs, that has to do with sumo. Alright? There's certain kinds of ramen that are like Chenko ramen. You know, it's for sumo wrestlers. But this is clam. It's clam! So let's cook our clams, shall we? That goes into the 3-minute mark. This goes in after that. This goes in first. This is our ramen noodle. Fujiwara stuff generally is pretty good. One takes 600 mils of water, which is on the high end of things, but that's all right. I'm not gonna go broke using 600 mils of water out of the tap. Which is a question I've got for you folks. Do you guys, when you cook stuff at home like instant noodles, do you use tap water? Or do you use bottled? Or water you buy? I mean, you do have to pay for your tap water, believe it or not. But yeah, I'm curious because I know there's a lot of people that are like really, yeah, I'll go as far as to say weird about water. Granted, people in Flint, Michigan, exception to the rule. You guys' water is kind of jacked up, so yeah. But I've been told many times by doctors here in Washington that our tap water is primo. That if there's like, you go to the store and get bottled water, and our tap water generally is better than the bottled water you'll get at the store. I mean, of course that has to do with pipes and junk, but I don't know. Just curious what you guys have to say. Today is Monday. I had a pretty darn good weekend. And it snowed. And I'm hearing... I just heard some idiot in the car just peel out. This is the thing. We got a pretty decent amount of snow, but the streets are clear. So anybody peeling out around here is just being a dumbass. So, but yeah, no school today for Miles. Woohoo! Maybe later we'll all go out and maybe we'll build a snowman. You want to build a snowman? Yeah, he wants to build a snowman. Pretty sure. It's kind of the thing to do if you're a kid, right? Build a snowman. I did that. I used to build a snowman. Nowadays, though, it's just kind of like, I don't know. I just don't get as worked up about stuff. And maybe that's because I'm old. But that, I don't know. I don't think I'm that old. Get off my lawn. But yeah. It's Monday. I couldn't go take the daughter out in the stroller today. Too cold for that anyways. And yeah. Hopefully the sky chowder clears up and we're good to go. But I think it's going to be with us all week. They were saying that the high on Wednesday was going to be 24 Fahrenheit, but now it's saying like 30 something. It's so jacked up. Like one of the preeminent minds of meteorology around here is a guy named Cliff Mass, and he's got a weather blog. And so last night I was reading what he had to say, and it was like all the models, all the ensembles, they're all saying right around 0.7 inches of snow. We got way more than that. There are people who got 6 inches. It's like, and he says all through it, you know, it's like really hard to predict. Dang it. See? This is what happens. I didn't put it in. Oh, sorry. Well, let's at least look at this. Well, I wasn't boiling it hard, so maybe it'll be. Whoa, yeah, calm down. I don't know why, but this kind of ramen noodle just wants to boil right out of the pot. Well, I mentioned putting it in at the last minute. I think it's probably going to be all right. By the time I get this in here and stir it up, it'll be... Wow. That is a lot of broth. And there's a large liquid sachet. So this is one that's sold. You can get it down in California, but it, yeah. See that broth? Isn't that interesting? Well, I don't know, maybe it's the white bowl making it look milky, but I thought it looked rather milky on the packaging. Let's give it a try. Lots of sesame seeds in this. I don't like the noodle. No, I do not. It's very chewy. Granted, I do like chewy noodles, but I get the clam. I don't know. I'm not like ultra thrilled about this. It makes me think maybe it's like a diet noodle, but I don't think it is. Not a lot of sumo wrestlers on diets, I don't think, other than eat a lot. I could totally be wrong. So yeah, let's see what we can do here. Pull back a little. Alright. We'll start with the obvious. I was thinking, what if I took these things, these fancy egg things, and then after they get cold, reboil them. That's not too bad. Just to make the whites a little tougher. I don't know. Something I've been thinking about. Not all that hard, but thinking about it nonetheless. Here's some sprouts over here. A little onion. Just a smidge. Dear God. Yeah. Making noodles. Yeah. Been watching Robotech with the kids the last couple days. They're kind of into it, but not extremely, which is great because that means that they're not like screaming and yelling and demanding that I turn it off immediately. So that's pretty good. And I'm gonna throw some oil on. And I think this is a perfect time to use some senseo. It's like a Japanese pepper. Just seems kind of fitting. And some seeds. And a little bit of pepper flake. And I think I like that. I think that's what's going to happen. I think you're seeing completion. So, Rotato, do your thing. All right, well, would you just look at that? Amazing. Once again, for you. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye now.